Bookworm Kids TV!
For this video, we're going to read a couple of pages from See Inside Science. Life as we know it. Earth is the only planet we know of that supports life. It is covered with many different kinds of living things that we can watch and study. Most living things share a home with other creatures. Both plants and animals can make a home for millions of tiny living things. Lice can live in long hair. A single louse can lay up to 6 eggs a day. Viruses live in blood. Some viruses are spiky and can attack an animal's blood. Thousands of bacteria live inside animal guts. Some bacteria help to keep the guts clean. Life comes in many different forms, but inside they all contain DNA. This is a model of DNA. It's a string of chemicals that holds the code to life. Rosalind Franklin took the first X-ray pictures of DNA. Scientists group living things together if they share similar features. Most plants have tubes inside them for carrying water and food. Xylem carries water, phloem carries food. Plants with these tubes are described as vascular. Gibbons and humans are both primates. They have similar DNA. Insects are the most common creatures on the earth. They can live almost anywhere. Living things are always changing into new varieties. This is called evolution. Charles Darwin got some of his ideas about evolution by watching finches and pigeons. These 3 finches are trying to crack open some very tough nuts. If they can't do it, they will soon starve. The finch with the bigger beak can crack these nuts. He'll live, but his brothers with the small beaks will die. Soon you will find many more finches with big beaks around here. All living things can reproduce, which means they can make babies. Tiny, tiny animals like these amoeba simply split into 2 halves. Many plants reproduce by dropping seeds. Inside each seed, a new plant starts growing. The top part is the stem, the bottom part is the root. Some animals grow a baby inside themselves. A baby tarsier grows inside its mother for 6 months. Lots of animals, such as snakes, crocodiles, and birds, lay eggs. Babies hatch out of their eggs by cracking them from the inside. Hornbill egg. Before it hatches, a baby in an egg is called an embryo. All living things need food to build up their bodies. The arrows in this food web point to the creatures doing the eating. Green plants such as grass can make their own food. Everything else has to eat something. Dung beetles don't eat whole animals, but they do eat their dung. Each blade of grass is filled with green chloroplasts, which can turn sunlight into food. Life as we know it.